I've lived in Gilbert now for 4 years or so. Born and raised in the East Valley. In fact, Ray Road is from my great-great-grandfather. So the family's been here in the East Valley for a very long time. My involvement primarily has been with the town council over the last 3 years I've been on council. Been privileged to serve on multiple boards and commissions. Generally, they're 1 or 2 year assignments, and some of those I've been able to serve on a little bit longer than those. I've been able to serve with the Small Business Alliance as their liaison, Parks and Rec, and some of the other ones as well, the arts, culture, and tourism. But over the last 3 years, multiple boards and commissions, and different ad hoc groups and things of that nature. And then just community involvement in general. I enjoy sports. I hope my kids enjoy sports as much as I do. And so I've coached them a couple different years, t-ball, coach pitch, football, and now my daughters are in volleyball, so I get to watch them because I have nothing to coach. That's out of my league. And they did cheer, and that's way out of my league. And I also am involved in Boy Scouts of America and also in local church with the youth program there.